At Living Our Systems, we've been involved with feeding our community for decades. I've started a few community gardens. You might know one, the Napili Community Garden up here up north. But we're on the endeavor now of starting a private community garden here on our land that we own in Olowalu. And we're going to make plots available to our local community. DM us if you're interested. And these are going to be plots that are grown with our regenerative program. We're going to teach you how to make the best compost in the world. We're going to supply the water, the compost, the spot, and the knowledge for you to do it. So let us know if you want to be on board. This is the very beginning, the first announcement I've made of this. So in the future coming up on the land that we own here in Olowalu, we are going to start a community garden for those who are displaced in Lahaina, the people of Olowalu, or anybody around us who wants this kind of incredible environment to take on a regenerative approach to growing their food with a community garden. It'll also bring you closer to a community that's involved in this.